Hello and welcome to Notaries BIZ, where I, Sheila Lordeus, am here to inspire you as to how you need to go ahead and set up your home office. I'm so excited about this because I'm a DIY type of person and I always feel like I can always design a space to what I like. So when it came time to setting up my home office for my business, it was really a big deal for me because it's not just a space in my home. It's for something very important like being a business owner. You finally got all of your supplies, especially that printer and scanner you've been waiting so long for. It's all here, but where do you put everything? What's going to be the best organization and functionality for your space? So I'm here today to share with you how I organize everything here in my home office. And where did I save some money? How did I get creative? And I'm going to tell you some reasons why you should not spend so much to make your workspace work for you. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and kind of talk you through this video as you watch how I basically want to share my home office with you. Everything or most of everything will be on my Instagram before and after photos, as well as some of these items I'll put them in the store on my website. Just make sure to check the description box below for a lot of the information I'll make available to you. But let's go ahead and get into it. The most highlight of my office is my wallpaper. You'll see here I made sure to pick something fun and bright. This wallpaper is actually a line from the Property Brothers of HGTV at Lowe's. So don't be afraid to take some chance. It's removable wallpaper. You can peel it off after a while, or if you don't like it or you change your mind. You definitely want to make your space comfortable. I have here my bookshelf with my little camel who holds my tacks. Definitely make sure you have a place to store stuff. I chose to do free floating shelves. Those are also from Lowe's. So on top of them, you'll see here I have some storage boxes that are decorative because I like to keep things hidden so my space is not always looking like an office, even though it does. Those boxes, I got them at Michael's. If I'm able to find them somewhere else, I'll put them on my store. Here is a credenza. You'll see the full photo. I actually got this credenza from Facebook Marketplace. On top, I have my little jar and my scanner. The jar holds my binder clips and things like that. And you'll see here my very lovely Brother scanner that I talked about in my Supplies Essentials video. Make sure to check that out. I like to close it up, but when I need it, I just flip it open and then I close it back when I don't need it. Here to the side of my credenza is my shredder. I'm not always able to keep up with a lot of shredding, but when I do, this is my best friend. Now let's talk about this secondhand DIY credenza. It was an ugly brown color that I painted white, and the wallpaper I put on the door. That's also a Property Brothers line at Lowe's. So don't be afraid to take chances. So that was a money saver, this big piece of furniture for almost next to nothing secondhand. I added some hinges to make the doors open in a different direction for functionality purposes, so that was pretty fun. In the first section, I have a place for all my packages, FedEx and UPS packages, and of course the most important part of my business is my printer, so I have that in the same section because I'm always pulling out packaging and printing at the same time, so that's why I put that in that section. We're going to go ahead and move to the middle part of my credenza. When you open up the doors, I actually have in here all of my paper, okay? Paper, like I said, you're going to need, so you want to make sure you always have a good amount ready to go. So the top shelf has my letter size, the middle shelf has my legal size paper, and at the bottom is just a paper box that I covered with black poster board that I throw anything like shredding or my bags into, so it's hidden and not all in your face. Paper just lying around everywhere. When you come to the other side of my credenza here, this is where I have a lot of, little knickknacks and supplies. I have my highlighters, my binder clips, my hole puncher. But the other creative thing is what you would use in your kitchen most times to hang your dishware. I actually became very creative to use that dishware hanger for, as you can see, my FedEx pouches. So that was pretty cool. Don't be afraid to use unconventional things for other purposes. This little white jewelry box holder, I actually use it for more binder clips and as well as rubber bands for my files. I love IKEA, so there's like this little drawer set that actually you can pull out for all of my to-dos, cover letters, and things like that. I got that from IKEA. So just as you can see, you may not be as organized as this, but try your best to make sure you have everything you need at arm's reach. And get creative. Don't go out and spend a whole lot of money buying all this furniture. Try to see if you can find things online secondhand from a family member, but actually use what you have first. See how you work in this space, and then go out and buy the pieces of furniture. I purchased my table secondhand, a dining room table that I covered with contact marble paper. I'll have an Instagram photo of this tray here that holds all of my pens and candles as to how I organized it. So that's all I have for you guys here today. I just wanted to come here and give you a little bit of inspiration for the day to get you excited about this new journey you're about to embark on. Again, there's never any right or wrong. Have fun with it. You are about to launch a new business. So make a space that inspires you every day to go in and provide a new lifestyle that you will not regret taking on. So I hope you like what you saw here, and if so, go ahead, give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you again on the next one. Have a great one, guys. Bye-bye.